Hello guys, in this simple video, we'll be going through the customization steps on how to make your Windows File Explorer translucent. Without wasting much time, let's go straight to the point. First thing you want to do is to enable the transparency effect on your Windows. So here I'll proceed to search, make it easy. I'm gonna search for transparency effect. Alright, here we have the transparency effect, click on it. Here on transparency effect, you want to go over here and toggle this on. After doing that, you can X this. Now we proceed to our browser. Here in github.com, we'll be downloading this Explorer Blur Mica. I will be leaving the link in the description for you guys. So here you just want to scroll down all the way. And here, as we can see, we have release_x64. We're going to download this file. I'm not going to download it because I already did that. Now we'll be heading over to the file location. And here, as you can see in the download folder, we have this release x64 zip folder. Just highlight it, right click on it. And I'm using WinRAR here to extract. So I'm just going to proceed to extract here. Once you get this, just go ahead and click on this release folder. Then to install this, you just have to go on to register, highlight on it, right click on it and run as administrator. Once you get this, just click on OK, X this. Close the File Explorer. Now proceed to reopen the File Explorer. Now we have this translucent File Explorer, which is not so translucent. So reason why I'm going to proceed to change the opacity. Heading back to our downloads, you just go back to your release folder. And here you want to go right here to config. Just double click on that. And as you can see here, this value of 120 stands for the opacity. Now I'm going to change this value to 0. Having done that, just go up here to File and click on Save. Just X this. You may want to refresh your computer, then reopen your File Explorer. As we can see, we have this nice translucent File Explorer. And the good thing about this, if you click away, it goes back to normal, okay? And it doesn't change until you go back here on top. It's just nice. Now if you're wondering how to uninstall this, let's say you don't want this anymore, we go back to the downloads. Here I'm going to show you how to uninstall this. So you just go back here, want to go on here to uninstall, right click on it and run as administrator and click OK. It says success. So just X on this and refresh your computer. And now as we can see, it's all back to normal. And guys, if you're wondering how I ended up with this transparent taskbar, I have made a video about this, okay? Links in the description, you can check it out. Feel free to do that. So that's it about that, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Also turn on your notification so you get notified when I post content like this. I need your support, guys. Kindly subscribe. And also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and peace.